Am I used to this? So very. Sorry about my siblings. You know what I mean? Siblings just fight and fight and fight. Alright, try this again. Jeez. Alright, now let's see. Nope. Just even more. That's way too in. Alright, now let's see. There we go. Alright, once you get that, put all of the screws back in. Once again, don't lose anything. Oh no. It's a bummer. Man, I hate when this happens. I really don't like their design of this. I always have to make it difficult. Like, come on now, I'm trying to make videos. Videos. Alright, there we go. That should do it. Now, like I was saying, screw them on tightly. Get every single screw. Alright, there we go. So make sure all the buttons are clickable. Switch slides. Alright, once you get that done, now you want to install the battery back in. Close it up and make sure it turns on, and there you go. So that's about it for today's video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.